Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, you guys know about this piece of furniture that I have. It's very old. Let me put you guys back. It's very old. And this is my whole tree. I have this whole tree on the hallway outside, but I decided to bring it inside and style it inside. Guys, by the way, this is the open collaboration Styling My Way. Alright guys, this is hosted by Tablescape by Candy and the Grace Light DIY Home Decor. Guys, we also have some co-hosts, which they consist of course, myself, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, Designs with Emma, C9's Design, and Jean Home Decor, and more. Guys, the first thing I want to do, I want to start by cleaning my glass because it's very dirty. So let's style this. Guys, sorry about my back. I have no other way to do this. So, guys, this is a very old piece of furniture. I have it for almost 37 years. I believe you guys heard the story about this. This is one of the pieces of furniture that my husband got me when we got married. And I got this at the second year of our marriage for Mother's Day, I believe it was. Mother's Day. Guys, I love this. I didn't have the time to refinish it like I refinished my table and my china cabinet. So guys, this is it's hard to clean glass without avoiding leaving some streak behind. So I want to clean this glass really good, and then we're going to style it my way. Now that the glass is clean, I only have a little bit of this left. I have to go to this one buy some more. So let's clean the wood. Guys, this is going to be a simple style. And since it's spring, of course, you know I'm going to be using some flowers. It was hard to clean that glass, guys. It was hard. Okay. All right, guys. First thing I want to do is bring this is a vase that I thrifted years ago. This is made from recycled glass. It's very old. I don't know if they sell it. It has a sticker here. Let's see. It says, I cannot even read what it says. It says 100% recycled glass, San Miguel by, I can't, the sticker is so small. Yeah, it has a sticker. I don't remember how much I paid when I thrifted it. I thrifted over 8 years ago. I have never used it at a tablescape, which most likely I will one of these days. But for now, we're just going to style it here. Okay, I want to start by adding, I don't know, I have this for a long time. We're just gonna place that there. And I will add my flowers, which I'm going to be adding these ones. This one goes all the way down. This stem is not long enough, but we will fix that. Also, I will be adding this, I think it's a hydrangea. It's an old hydrangea. So once you keep adding, you'll be able to arrange your flowers how you want them. Also, I will be adding this one as well. And the reason why I added blue flowers on them is because, I don't know, you guys saw my motivation cleaning video. It's a long one, guys. So you guys can go and check it out. I will link it either above here or here. And get some motivation, guys. You guys can see behind in the glass reflection, the curtains have the same color. So I'm bringing all the colors together, guys. You know, my sense of style for some people, it might be loud, but I love it. I love color. I don't like things with just neutral color because to me it's depressing. Color makes me happy. All right, guys, so simple. That's it. It's all it is to it. Spread the little sticks a little bit. Yep. Like so. Also, I want to add, guys, we had the clothes collaboration couple of days ago. So yeah, guys, I'm going to add my grandson's photo. My grandson this summer, he's not going in this in the summer break. He's not going to be with us. He's going to be traveling. He got his summer all planned out. He's going to be going to Jamaica. Then he's going to be coming home, going to down south, going to Colorado. Guys, going to be traveling. I want to make sure this photo is safe because it's a glass photo. Okay, and with that, next to it, I want to add my girl cloche, which is a Vantage little doll from my collection. I will be adding it there. I think that is so cute there. So let's clean some fingerprint. I hope you guys are doing well. Here again, it's raining. It's a rainy day. So, all right, guys. Let's stand back and look at it. I like the way it looks. I will put the, maybe I switch this around. I want to enjoy my grandson's photo when I sit. All right, guys, what do you guys think? I think I like it. Now let's bring you guys down. The bottom part is going to be very simple. On the bottom part I have my other clothes that I decorated as a fairy garden, and I'm just going to put it here, guys. This one is going to be very simple. See, that just take the whole space there. And I want to add some green color to match it with the top. So I will be using my Murano glass little thing here. I don't know what you guys think. You know what? I want to give a height. Let's give it some height. I will be using this candle stand. Put it back here and put that right there. And that looks nice. And move it over here a little bit more. And next to it, I will add one of my candles. Yep, like so. There you have it, guys. This is styling my way. Let's bring you up, and then I will bring you closer, guys. All right, guys, I turn off the lights so you guys can appreciate the candles. This is what my flower arrangement looks like. And of course, I add a candle on top of the cloche. And then on the lower level, I added my other little cloche with a candle and my Murano glass. So now let's turn on the light so you guys can see it really nice. And there you guys have it. Well, guys, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.